How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable problem. Open your phone settings. In your settings menu, look for app management or something similar. Within the app management section, tap on app list. You can usually type in the search bar at the top of the screen to find specific apps. Type in WhatsApp to locate it quickly. Once you've found WhatsApp in the list, tap on it to open its settings. Within WhatsApp settings, look for storage usage. This is an important step. Tap on Clear Data to delete any temporary files or data that might be causing issues with WhatsApp calls. After clearing the data, go back to the main WhatsApp settings menu and find the Permissions section. Here, you want to make sure that WhatsApp has permission to do everything it needs to do. Just toggle all the switches to on or allow. Now, exit the settings and go back to your home screen. Open the Play Store app, where you download and update your apps. In the Play Store, use the search bar at the top to look for WhatsApp. Once you've found WhatsApp in the search results, tap on it to open its page in the Play Store. If there's an update available for WhatsApp, you'll see a button that says Update. Tap on it to get the latest version. Finally, after updating WhatsApp, restart your phone. This helps apply all the changes we've made and ensures everything is working smoothly. So there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can resolve the WhatsApp call unavailable problem. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.